So it's been a week on Octopus Go tariff, and I've been on it for 2 weeks in total, but this is my first full week on it. And as you can see, when it's compared to the Agile tariff, we're actually saving 50%. So Agile, if we had used it on the 23rd, it would have been £2.04, whereas on the Go it was only £1.23. Just to give you a bit of insight, so as you can see on the 24th, the 26th, the kilowatt hours used has doubled, and that's because we have an electric car and we tend to charge it twice a week. And as you can see on the Agile, on the 24th, it would have been £4.18, and then we compare that to the Go, and it was only £1.95. So the main reason is that it's that overnight period between 12:30 and 4:00, 4:30 in the morning. The Octopus Go is only 5p, whereas on the Agile it would have been 37p. So a considerable saving overall. So this is what we had. So the average cost if we were on the Agile would have been 19.12 per kilowatt hour, with the standing charge 21p. The standing charge on the Go is 25p, but the average unit cost was only 8.19p. So therefore we saved £2.23, which is 53% savings overall. So with the current rates on the Agile, so if we have a look at the moment, so for today, they're incredibly high when you compare them to the Octopus Go. So even when the overnight period from 12:30 to 4:30, the Go goes down to 5p, whereas the Agile is still, the cheapest one is 18.71 there at 1:30 till 2 o'clock, but it's nowhere near matching the Go tariff, which is 15p anyway for the rest of the day. So when you go onto the graph, you can see that the red line is the Go, so it drops down for 4 hours on the 5p, but then for the rest of the day it's only 15p, and you can see the Agile throughout the day on the 29th doesn't even get down to 15p. So at the moment, unless you have solar, I wouldn't go onto the Agile tariff. I would stick with the Go, and that will dramatically decrease your spending as it has for us. So overall in the month so far, obviously we haven't had a smart meter installed for the whole month, so we haven't been able to log the whole thing so far, but from the 18th to the 29th, we've saved £15.88 using Go over the Agile. So, as I said, for us and our consumption at the moment, the Go suits our needs, especially with an electric car, and being able to charge it overnight from 12:30 to 4:30 at the 5p rate is definitely a winner all round. So that's the first week. So I'll upload another video in a week or two, and we'll see if the Agile is still very low. Obviously, we haven't had a lot of sun, and we haven't had a lot of wind at the moment, so therefore the prices aren't going low based on excess in the market. So I haven't seen any negative pricing yet. Obviously, last year, before I was an Octopus customer, I saw lots and lots of people proclaiming about how great Octopus Agile was and how they were saving money, they were getting paid for electricity, but that hasn't happened so far. So that's my first insight into my experience with Octopus Go.